Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to play Catizen airdrop, and in this way you can get more fish altcoin in Catizen game, right? So first of all you have to just go to Telegram, then just go to the search bar, and here you have to search for Catizen. Now here you will get this option of Catizen. Make sure there's a blue tick mark, right? And when you trust this blue tick mark, and you will see around 21 millions users here. Just click on it and click on start. Now once you click on start, here you will get this option of play for airdrop, join communities. So we'll just go and click on play for airdrop and click on start. Now here, as you can see, it will start loading and automatically we will hear in the Catizen. Now we have to just wait. So here I'm doing it for the first time, that's why you will get this kind of tutorial here. So you have to just keep adding and everything. There are no seat left, and here, right, it will start working on it, right? And here for the airdrop I will just click on it and automatically I can get this altcoin, you can say that, in the airdrop, right? So here click on get my airdrop. Unfortunately you are not eligible for the airdrop. Okay, that's fine. And in this way we have to just move to a different section and click on confirm, right? In this way I think we can make new cards and everything, right? And as the customers come we have to just keep them, and it's look really interesting. We have to move like this, and in this way you can just keep generating. As you can see here, here it's getting generating, right? And this is really easy thing to do. And here, as much as you play, you will get more and more leadership level here, as well as more coins here. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.